All right, so the one-tap dispensing kits are a little bit different for the one-tap than they are the 2, 3, and 4, just because there's a little bit less equipment going on the one-tap. They're a little simpler. So dispensing kits with a CO2 tank, you're going to get your tank. You'll get a regulator, nice tap right regulator. Make sure you either have a plastic washer or the rubber washer between this connection here. These tap right regulators have built-in rubber washers, but if that's missing for some reason, make sure you've got some sort of washer between there. Blue line is for your air, so you're going to hook your air to your barb on your regulator. This is your other end of your air line is going to go to the input on the CO2 coupler, which is the side, and then the beverage line will hook to the top of your beer coupler, which is your beer out, and then your other end will hook to the back of the jockey box or the input of the jockey box. Your beverage lines come, one end's got a straight tailpiece on it, the other one's got a 90-degree tailpiece. We like the 90 on the jockey box just because it keeps the tubing down and out of the way. However, if you do want to switch them, you can. It's the same threads on the top of the beer coupler as it is on the back of the jockey box. One note about the regulator is this big red knob does lock, so pull it out and you'll be able to adjust your PSI a little bit better. PSI gauge is on the top, 0 to 60. One tap 50-foot coil, you want it 25 to 30 PSI. And then the second gauge here is your fill gauge on your tank. You can also check your tare weight, which is stamped on the side of it. This one is 7.7 pounds. If you want to know how much is in here, you can also weigh it. So if there's 11.7 pounds, you know that there's 4 pounds of CO2 in here. If you have any questions on any of our products, email us at support@coldbreakusa.com.